This is Ken Jordan with Accent American Cleaning and Disaster Restoration. We're going to show you where we pre-vacuum the carpet with a CRI approved vacuum. Got a lot of dirt, sand, and hair out. We're going to pre-vacuum again with the truck mount to show you how much more powerful it is and what we get out. Then we will show you what we get out with the truck mount hot water extraction and the importance of pre-vacuuming a carpet. Now let's see what came out after the truck mount vac. We have this. We have this. More hair, more stuff, more powerful. If you don't get this out of a carpet, this is why it stinks after you clean a carpet. This is why you need a CRI approved vacuum. If you don't get this out when you clean a carpet, this is what makes a carpet stink and smell. Alright, dry cleaning removes absolutely none of this. It stays in there. So if your carpet is not certified by the Carpet and Rug Institute, that's your first problem. If you clean it yourself or rent a machine, you're wasting your money. Now we're going to clean the carpets with the truck mount. Here's a clean filter. Let's see what we get out again. After we did a hot water extraction, this is what we've got out of the carpet. This is what came out after the extraction. This was the truck mount vacuuming followed by the homeowner's vacuuming. If you're not doing these steps, you're not getting professional carpet cleaning.